guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how to create a bigger bun with your head wrap. I'm going to show you guys the before. This bun in the before may be big enough for some people, but if you want like a bigger bun, or you know, if you just want to create more styles, that's what I'm going to be showing you guys how to do today. So you're going to create this type of look today or something similar. I have posted a picture on my Instagram where I created a different type of look following the same exact technique. I'll include a picture. Yeah, today I'm just going to be showing you guys what you can do to create this bigger bun effect and what you can use. So if you're interested, just stay tuned, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take something in the form of a bun, whether it be another scarf, which is what I'm using. This is just another scarf like rolled into this like sock bun shape, or you can take a sock, or you could take one of those mesh bun fillers. You remember when people used to do their buns and they would put that thing to like make their bun fuller? You just want to take something that's gonna have this shape. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's gonna be wrapped in the scarf. So you just want to take this and then you put it right on the top of your head, and then you're just gonna wrap your scarf with this here. Or if you want, you could do it in the back too, but I'm gonna show you guys up here. And then that's literally it. You're basically using your sock bun shape as like a filler for your head wrap, and it'll stay in place all day as long as your scarf is tied tightly. You don't have to worry about like putting your head down and it falling off. So yeah, it's super easy, and it really just gives a different style to the head wrap. Like it gives you more versatility that you could do with your head wrap. And like I said, you could do it here, you could do it back here, you could literally do whatever you want with it. Like I said, the sock just gives it more shape, more volume, you know. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and if you guys have any questions, just let me know. You can comment them below, I'll answer you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, I have a couple of other head wrap tutorials if you guys want to check those out. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Janai Kirsten, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.